Adobe Student 101, Adobe Photoshop free for students. Adobe offers a special pricing program for students and educators called Adobe Student and Teacher Editions. These editions provide significant discounts on Adobe's creative software, including Adobe Creative Cloud applications such as Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, Premiere Pro, and more. Here are some details about Adobe Student and Teacher Editions. Eligibility asterisk. To qualify for Adobe Student and Teacher Editions, you must be a full-time or part-time student or faculty member at an accredited educational institution. The program is available for primary, secondary, and higher education students, as well as faculty and staff at educational institutions. Proof of eligibility is required, usually in the form of documentation such as a school-issued email address, student ID, faculty ID, or other verification documents. Discounted software asterisk. Adobe Student and Teacher Editions offer discounted pricing on Adobe Creative Cloud applications. Students and educators can access popular Adobe software such as Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, Premiere Pro, After Effects, and more at reduced prices. The subscription includes access to the latest versions of Adobe software, ongoing updates, and additional features and services. Subscription plans asterisk. Adobe Student and Teacher Editions are available as annual subscriptions, billed monthly or paid upfront for the entire year. Subscriptions may include access to individual Adobe apps, the full Adobe Creative Cloud suite, or specialized plans tailored to specific disciplines such as photography, design, video editing, and more. Students and educators can choose the subscription plan that best fits their needs and budget. Verification process asterisk. Adobe requires verification of student or educator status to access the discounted pricing. Verification is typically done through a third-party verification service such as SheerID or UNIDAYS. During the verification process, users may need to provide proof of enrollment or employment at an accredited educational institution. Renewal and upgrades asterisk. Adobe Student and Teacher Edition subscriptions are renewable on an annual basis. Users may need to re-verify their student or educator status when renewing their subscriptions. Upgrades to higher-tier subscription plans or additional Adobe services may be available at discounted rates for students and educators. Usage restrictions asterisk. Adobe Student and Teacher Editions are intended for personal use by students and educators for educational purposes only. Commercial use of the software purchased under the student discount program is prohibited. Adobe reserves the right to revoke access to discounted subscriptions if users violate the terms of use or eligibility requirements. Adobe Student and Teacher Editions provide an affordable way for students and educators to access professional-grade creative software for learning, teaching, and personal projects. By offering discounted pricing and specialized plans, Adobe aims to support the educational community and empower students and educators with the tools they need to succeed in their creative endeavors.